On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, delicious pasta dish with whatever ingredients you have on hand. The key ideas here are: start with sauteing garlic and onions, followed by your other sauce ingredients. The cooked pasta and some cooking water is added to the sauce, and cooking is completed there. Finish off with a generous amount of olive oil. So I have roasted red peppers, fresh spinach, and I always have fresh tomatoes in the house, so that's what I'm using for the pasta today. Get your pasta water boiling with plenty of salt. Start cooking by sauteing onion and garlic in a generous amount of olive oil, followed by the tomatoes, roasted red peppers, and spinach. Always start with sauteing the onions, and then you sequence your additional ingredients based on how long they will take to cook. In this case, the tomatoes will take the longest to cook, so they'll be added first, followed by the roasted red pepper and fresh spinach. If the sauce is cooked before the pasta is ready, just pull it off the heat. Once the pasta is cooked, 1 minute less than packaging instructions, crank up the sauce burner to high and transfer the pasta from the boiling water to the sauce. Add 1/3 of hot pasta water and cook on high until the water is gone and everything is saucy.
Transfer cooked pasta to a serving platter.
Add a generous amount of olive oil and serve with lots of grated Parmesan cheese. So that is a versatile template to make a delicious pasta dish with whatever you have on hand.